The folding electric bike for adults is equipped with a powerful motor that peaks at 1,000 watts, allowing it to reach speeds of up to 30 miles per hour, making it ideal for tackling various terrains and inclines effortlessly. This e-bike features a robust 48-volt, 20-ampere-hour battery that provides an impressive range, with the potential to cover up to 80 miles on a single charge when using pedal assist mode. Riders can enjoy a smooth and comfortable journey thanks to the superior front suspension and dual-disc brakes, which ensure safe and efficient stopping power even on wet surfaces. The bike's foldable design enhances its portability, allowing it to be easily stored in a car trunk or transported on public transport, making it a convenient choice for urban commuters. With an advanced colored LCD display, riders can track speed, battery status, pedal assist levels, and more, ensuring an informed and adaptable riding experience across different modes. The e-bike comes partially assembled with a 12-month service warranty, offering peace of mind and support for the motor, battery, and controller components.